Pro printer with MyStemKits, the first thing you need to do is go to www.mystemkits.com and either log in or sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, click Printer Management in the left-hand column. From there, you have the option to view any printers you currently have connected or register a new printer. On this page, you want to look for the Robo logo and click Register. This will give you a field where you can enter a code that you get from your printer. So heading over to the printer, first thing, make sure your printer is connected to the internet. You can tell whether it is because there should be a Wi-Fi or Ethernet symbol in the top right corner. Once you've done that, go into Tools and Settings. Scroll down until you see Cloud and click on it. Select MyStemKits and Get Token. That will generate a code you can use with the website to register your printer onto MyStemKits. Click OK and toggle it on. That will connect it and be ready to talk to the computer. Now, back at the computer, simply type this code in to that opening right near the Robo logo. And then click Add. You will get a message saying that the printer was registered successfully, so you can close out of this window, and your printer will then show up here where you can use the little purple pencil sign to give it a name, which is especially useful if you have multiple printers in a space. And as you can see here, I've taken a label maker to match up the name on the printer with the name in the website. You are now ready to start printing using MyStemKits.com.